If you hope to become one of Amazon's seller success stories, you need more than the perfect product. You need to make sure the marketing methods you're using are inspiring sales almost each and every second. Now, to date, Amazon already comprises close to 10 million sellers, with more than 2,000 new sellers joining each day. With the competition proving more challenging than ever, standing out above the crowd is nothing short of essential. With over 7 years of seller experience, we at Panda Boom know firsthand what the potential weak points of seller businesses are. We've helped thousands of brands push through these problems, promoting their products with proven results. Our all-in-one Panda Boom platform packs your FBA seller's toolbox with all the knowledge and resources you need to succeed. Our goal is to help grow your FBA business, from first sale to future sales and beyond. To do this, we'll equip you with an arsenal of competition-crushing resources and methods that make all the difference. We'll help you launch your new products or relaunch existing ones with improved results. Our pool of niche-targeted bloggers will help ramp up your reviews and product-selling keywords. We also offer complete PPC management and account management services, alongside full listing optimization. Having been FBA sellers ourselves, we know how to launch and sell your products easily and effectively, boosting your bottom line quickly, safely, and efficiently. We've consistently helped sellers from all across the globe systematically increase their organic sales rate, right from the very start. Whether you're a first-time seller or an already established and experienced brand, our set and forget platform allows you to focus on business development, while we grow your sales in the background. If you're tired of your sales sitting on the back burner and are ready to skyrocket your reach and get more sales organically, now you can with Panda Boom. We come highly recommended by industry leaders as the all-inclusive and affordable solution for FBA sellers hungry to succeed. If you've gotten this far, you'll know what the next step is. See you on the other side.